everyone. Welcome to Shandong Longzemachine. I'm Jerry. Today we are loading our wood chipper to South America. This machine number GX216. It is a drum wood chipper. This wood chipper will fit with a 55 kilowatt electric motor. The capacity for this chipper is 5 tons power. This complete unit of this chipper, including an 6 meters input conveyor, 10 meters output conveyor, and this wood chipper can crush maximum 23 centimeters wood logs. And inside this wood chipper, we fit with 4 flying blades, and the screen we fit with 20 millimeters hole. So that means the output wood chips size would be less than 20 millimeters. And this chipping system with high efficiency working. It is very good in use for wood pellet making industry, for power plant, wood chips burning industry, and it has a large range of using for the final products of the wood chips. If you have any inquiries or interest with Longze wood chipper, please send your inquiry or send your question to us. We will give you the best offer. Okay, I will see you next time. Bye bye.